Model, 66-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2901, 6CDTIBT, 125, S, SL1H1 Euro 6 professionally converted camper needs turbo absolute bargain no VAT. Body, black, camper. Mileage, 150602. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing, this is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine and gearbox are fantastic. This is an absolute bargain for someone who puts a turbo on it. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call